In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to parent objects in Blender using Ctrl+P. Parenting is one of the most useful fundamentals in Blender because it lets you control multiple objects in a clean, organized way. When you parent one object to another, the child object will follow the parent's movement, rotation, and scale, which is perfect for building models with parts that need to stay together. Start by selecting the object that should follow. This is your child. Click it in the 3D viewport, or pick it from the outliner if that's easier to see. It's important that this object is selected first. In Blender, the order of selection matters, and the last object you select becomes the active one. The active object is the one that will become the parent in this setup. Now, hold Shift and select the object that should drive the motion, the parent, last. You'll notice the parent has a slightly different highlight indicating it's the active object. At this point, you should have two objects selected with the intended parent active. Press Ctrl+P. This opens the Set Parent to menu. From the options, choose Object. This is the most common and straightforward parenting method. By choosing Object, you're telling Blender to create a direct parent-child relationship, so the child inherits the parent's transforms without adding extra constraints or bones. It's simple, predictable, and ideal for most scenes. From now on, whenever you move, rotate, or scale the parent, the child will follow automatically. You can still edit the child on its own. It just means its position and orientation are now relative to the parent. Think of the parent as the reference point and the child as a piece attached to it. If the result isn't what you expect, the most common cause is the selection order being reversed. Make sure you selected the child first and the parent last before pressing Ctrl+P. Also, this workflow is designed for object mode, so keep an eye on your mode indicator to avoid confusion. That's all there is to it. Select the child, Shift select the parent, press Ctrl+P and choose object. With this simple setup, you'll keep your scene organized and your animations or transforms far easier to manage. Thanks for watching and happy blending.